Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can apply different font sets to your current document's theme to change the default heading and body font applied to its text styles. You can also define your own custom font sets to apply your desired fonts to the theme's heading and body text styles. To apply a font set in Word, click the Design tab within the ribbon. Then click the Fonts drop-down button at the right side of the Document Formatting button group to show a drop-down menu of font sets that you can use. To preview how one of these font sets would appear in your document, roll your mouse pointer and hover it over any font set in this drop-down menu. To apply it to your document, click a font set in the drop-down menu. Alternatively, to create a custom font set, click the Customize Fonts command in the Fonts drop-down buttons drop-down menu instead. To open the Create New Theme Fonts dialog box. In this dialog box, choose the desired heading font from the Heading Font drop-down. Then choose the desired body font from the Body Font drop-down. Then type a name for the custom font set into the name field. Then click the Save button to apply the new font set. The new font set then also appears in the Custom section of the Fonts drop-down buttons drop-down menu. Separately, you can also set the theme's paragraph spacing in the document. To do this, click the Paragraph Spacing drop-down in the Document Formatting button group on the Design tab of the ribbon. In the drop-down menu that then appears, you can select a preset paragraph spacing option. Alternatively, to specify custom paragraph spacing, then instead choose the Custom Paragraph Spacing command from the Buttons drop-down menu to open the Set Defaults tab within the Manage Styles dialog box. In the Paragraph Spacing section of this tab, you can use the Before and After spinner boxes to set the amount of space to allot before and after each paragraph. You can also use the Line Spacing drop-down and optionally the adjacent @spinner box to set the line spacing in the paragraphs. These buttons all work the same as they do within the Indents and Spacing tab of the Paragraph dialog box, which was discussed in a previous lesson. The only difference is that setting these same settings within the Manage Styles dialog box changes the spacing for the related styles in the theme versus for a selected paragraph or paragraphs. If you set the theme's paragraph spacing in the Manage Styles dialog box, then click the OK button to apply your custom paragraph spacing when you are finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.